is are negative words to improve our ad rank? Yes, absolutely it will, because you are going to improve your whole performance of your campaign. Your CTR will be more relevant as well as high. So it is just a good practice to keep your negative keywords on a regular basis, and I would highly recommend that you don't use broad match keywords, because that is sometimes the biggest problem, where Google will go on a tangent and will show you ads for all sorts of keywords. Because even if you are targeting, let's say, exact match keywords, nowadays exact match is not an exact match in Google. So you will find other search terms which are showing you ads. So the best way to check is once you start running the ads. So before you start running the ads, you have a list, you sort out your negative keywords on this spreadsheet, put these up, and then as you keep getting you see your search term report, and if you find any which are not relevant to you or your business, then you keep adding them in your negative keyword list, and that will keep on optimizing it, so you're getting more of the good stuff and less of the bad stuff.